Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Yes, Vlogmas Day 6 today will feature my tablescape slash table decor for the holidays. Yes, that's all today's vlog is about. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna give you as much details as I can remember. And yeah, guys, ignore the ear. I just literally washed my hair and twisted it up. So it is what it is. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas post and we will talk. Enjoy. Alright guys, so this is how the table is right now, and I'm gonna start off by cleaning it. You cannot see, maybe you can. Yeah, maybe you can see the smears that is on the glass. So I have to start off by cleaning that. So let me get to getting and get to going with the cleaning of the glass table. Remove this that I had here for the Thanksgiving season and get cracking with the cleaning. Yes. So I'm gonna start by just putting a runner on the table. And this is a red runner, and this runner I've had for several years. I do not remember where I got it, but I believe it was either Walmart or Ross or one of those places. So all right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is set my placemats, and these are from Walmart. I believe they were three something. Yeah, I believe they were either two something or three something, but I know they didn't pass $4. So I'm just setting these, and of course I'm setting for 4 places because this is a table for 4. All right, next I'm going to be adding my chargers. Yes. And the talking that you're hearing in the background, guys, is hubby on his radio program. So tune into the Caribbean Radio HD2.com. Yes, Caribbean Radio HD2.com. All right, guys, and these chargers were from Big Lots. Yes, they were originally $5. They were 40% off. So I think I got them for $3 each. And these are from the Dollar Tree, guys. Yes, this was $1. That was before the Dollar Tree raised their prices to $1.25. Did you guys know that? How am I late to the party? Like, I'm not here for it. I'm here for the Dollar Tree having everything for $1. So please, somebody protest that. All right, so yeah, these plates are from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So I'm just using those. And the rim of the plate is actually gold, but it's not showing up on camera as gold. But yeah, it is gold. And I have here my napkins with my DIY napkin ring. I'm gonna try to show you guys how I made that napkin ring. Yeah. All right, so yes. What I actually use to make the the napkin ring is the bells from this garland tie. This is actually a garland tie, so I just remove it from the garland tie, and once I remove it, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do it. And I just have this stretchy gold piece of elastic. It was actually from some package that I had, and I just found it and decided to use it. It came in very handy. All right, so I'm just folding the napkin in a triangular shape and then folding it again in a smaller triangle. And then I just crunch it together like such. And after you've fought to hold it together, you realize that you have not yet prepared the ring for the napkin. So yeah. All right, so I just actually put the rubber, or the elastic rather, inside of the bell, and I'm just gonna tie it around the napkin. Simple. Nobody will know. They're gonna know? No, they're not gonna know. Nobody will know, because unless somebody physically lifts up the napkin to examine how it's done, or examine what's going on, then you know from the naked eye you cannot tell what's going on. So yeah, DIY napkins. Okay, guys, and for the centerpiece, or for the scape, the table scape portion of the setting, I'm just using my same garland tie. Yes, just to secure this garland that I had purchased, I believe, from the same Big Lots. Yeah, I think it was from Big Lots. I do not remember how much I paid for it, but it was pretty inexpensive. They were having a massive sale, so everything was pretty much reduced. All right, so I'm wrapping the garland tie around the garland. And then now I'm gonna just start weaving it through, because I want to use that bell as an additional decorative piece onto the garland, just to make it look a little bit more attractive. It does have those red berries, but just for it to get a pop of red, sorry, a pop of gold, so it ties in with the other gold elements on the table. I'm just doing that. Yeah. And this again was from Big Lots. It was $5 originally, and I believe it was 40% off. So it was like $2 and some change. hmm Alright guys, so that's how my centerpiece turned out. So I'm just adding this Christmas tree candle that I got last year from Aldi supermarket. It was like $5. So I'm just setting that in the center of the the wreath, and pretty much that's gonna be the centerpiece. It's not a big table as you guys can see, so there's no need to make it overly crowded. I'm not even setting the table. I adding these scented holiday pine cones, yeah, just for added element of nature. Yes, and for that nice fresh pine cone smell. Yeah, I was saying I'm not even gonna set utensils or anything. This is just just to add a little bit of oomph to the house, to give it a more festive look, but it's not like we're planning to use it. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know your thoughts, for a first timer, how did it turn out? Let me know what you would have done differently. Is there a rule that I am not observing? Yeah. Anyway, guys, talk to you on my next one. Be safe, be blessed, and I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow for the next one. Peace.